Hello friends. I hope you are doing well. Vivo has launched its new S16 series of mid-range phones on September 12, 2022. This lineup consists of three smartphones, Vivo S16, Vivo S16 Pro or Vivo S16e. Today we will talk in detail about the specs, price or features of Vivo S16 or S16 Pro, which comes with flagship processors. Let's start this video. Friends, if we talk about its design then, Vivo S16 or S16 Pro comes with attractive design and amazing features. The design of both phones is same, so it is difficult to differentiate between them. They have under-display fingerprint sensor. At the bottom USB Type-C port, dual SIM tray or microphone has been given. On top branding of professional portrait and microphone can be seen. The phone has glass back and comes with photo MaqTech technology. Under the light the back of the phone, transfer to deep blue color within 10 seconds. Which looks awesome. On the back of S16 or S16 Pro, there is a bumpy camera module has been given in the top left, in which three cameras are vertically merged. And ring LED flash can be seen on right. On its right side power button and volume rockers can be seen. Due to curved back in front of phones, the in-hand feel will also be good. If we talk about the body dimension then, both phones have height of 164.1 mm, 74.8 mm width and thickness of 7.4 mm. The screen-to-body ratio is 90.4%, which is a good ratio. And weight is 182 grams. If we talk about the body material, then protection of Gorilla Glass Victus is given on the front. It is scratch resistance and durable glass. The back cover of the phone is made of glass and the frame is made of aluminum. And its build quality is much better. After that we talk about display. Both phone comes with 6.78-inch HDR10 Plus AMOLED and curved display. Curved display reduced field of vision, which provide better visibility. And at the same time, a higher refresh rate of 120 Hz can be seen. And it has max peak brightness of 1300 nits, which provides good visibility in daylight. It has touch sampling rate of 360 Hz. Its screen resolution is 1080 by 2400 pixels and 388 ppi density can be seen. If we talk about the operating system of S16 or S16 Pro, then the latest Android 13 OS is used. The layer of Origin OS 3 is used on it, which is a faster user interface. If we talk about its chipset power, then S16 has Snapdragon 875G 7nm, which is an old but flagship level chipset. And S16 Pro comes with MediaTek Dimensity 8204nm, which is a new chipset. And it provides flagship level experience for gaming, multimedia, display and connectivity. For heavy games like Genshin Impact and PUBG it provides better graphics and fast speed. If we talk about its benchmark scores then, total benchmark score of S16 is 7,58,455. And benchmark score of S16 Pro is 8,77,609. Which is more than Vivo S15 Pro's benchmark score of 8,15,458. Octa-core CPU has been used in both phones. The S16 has one CPU of 3.2 GHz, three CPUs of 2.42 GHz and four CPUs of 1.80 GHz can be seen. And S16 Pro has one CPU of 3.1 GHz, three CPUs of 3.0 GHz and four CPUs of 2.0 GHz are given, which is good for multitasking. S16 has Adreno 650 and S16 Pro has Mali G610 GPU support. Let's talk about cameras. The S16 has 64 megapixel main sensor with a wide aperture of f1.9. And S16 Pro has main sensor of 50 megapixel with a wide aperture of f1.9. Also, the feature of PDAF and optical image stabilization can be seen. Both phones have an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor with an aperture of f2.2 and third one is macro sensor of 2 megapixels with an aperture of f2.4. Both phones has central punch hole camera of 50 megapixel for selfies. You can capture high-resolution selfies from it. And you can record video of 4K at 24 FPS from main camera. Some pictures or videos made with S16 or S16 Pro have also been added here. Let's see these pictures or videos. So, friends, what do you think about the results of these pictures? Tell me in comment section. If we talk about memory then, you will get dynamic RAM of 12 GB and 8 GB LPDDR5X. The S16 comes with 4 variants. First variant 8 GB plus 128 GB and second variant 8 GB plus 256 GB and third variant 12 GB plus 256 GB and fourth variant is 12 GB plus 512 GB. And S16 Pro has 3 variants. First variant 8 GB plus 256 GB and second variant 12 GB plus 256 GB and third variant 12 GB plus 512 GB. In which the storage type of UFS 3.1 is given. Which is very fast. Its sound quality is not good because it does not have stereo speakers and headphone jack. Let's talk about connectivity. It supports 5G, 5th generation network technology, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. Both phones come with a non-removable battery of LiPo 4600 mAh. And fast charger of 66 watt is given. Which can charge your phone from 0 to 50% only in 19 minutes. Due to fast charging, its battery life is enough for our daily life and games. If we talk about colors, then S16 is available in black, mint and gold colors, and S16 Pro comes in black and mint. If we see the current market price of both phones, then starting price of S16 is $340, 460 Canadian dollars, 330 euros, 29,000 Indian rupees, 80,000 Pakistani rupees, 36,000 Bangladeshi taka. And starting price of S16 Pro is $400 550 Canadian dollars, 380 euros, 34,000 Indian rupees, 90,000 Pakistani rupees, 42,000 Bangladeshi taka. So, friends, which phone you like most from S16 or S16 Pro, and which feature do you like, and what is your opinion about its price? Tell us in the comment section. To see such informative video, please subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon so that the latest updates can reach you. Goodbye and take care.